Today we will be installing a touring enclosure on a Club Car Onward. These are the tools we'll be using today. Here are the parts included with your kit for the installation. We'll start by placing the enclosure on the sun top of the golf cart. Orient it so that the front is facing the front of the golf cart. The front can be hard to identify at first. What you can do is unfold the enclosure on top of the sun top to see the correct orientation. Once you have it facing forward, you are going to tuck the front part of the sun top into the pocket in the front of the enclosure. Now we will go to the back of the cart where there are snaps that will hold the back end of the enclosure in place. We will go to the front and install the sleeves to the front upright. Wrap the sleeve around the square tubing and use the small zipper to secure it onto the upright. Once the enclosure is all zipped together, go ahead and remove the paper that is covering the windows. Once both sleeves are installed, we will go around the cart and zip it together and attach all of the hooks to the underside of the cart. You are now done with the installation of your touring enclosure.